Thanks for viewing our video about the PicoSecond Laser. Firstly, I want to introduce the appearance. This machine adopted the mental painting, the separate color, and you can have a look. It's the topest level on the market of the paint. It's made of the module part by ourselves, and we adopted the 19% ABS material for the case, so it's very strong and stable. Also, we add some design details for this machine. Firstly, the flashable screen. Second, the empty place above. For you can put some cosmetic tool or cosmetic material on site. Is the empty place designed for your tools. At the back of the machine, there are 3 ports for water inlet, water outlet, and the air vents for you to add water or exhaust the water. And we designed 2 fuses for this machine. One is the firing fuse and another is the newer fuse. So the machine has double protection, and the plug connection and the pedal connection. Besides, there is a RCD protector. At the back of the machine, we designed this. At the back of the machine, we designed this lock. You can press down, then remove 4 screws to open the back. Then it will be very easy to do the after sales repairment or maintenance. For machine's core points, this 7 joints arm is originally imported from Korea Lab. Here you can see the Korea Lab's mark. It's produced by Korea Lab company, which is the biggest laser arm manufacturer around the world. I open the machine, show you the system and the test results. Turn the emergency button to the right and turn the key to the right, open machine. On first system, besides our standard design, you can add your logo. Click the PicoSecond into the system. In this system, you can choose the wavelength 1064 nanometer or 532 nanometer. Used for the darker color, the 1064 used for darker color such as black, or the brown, this kind of color. Whether 532 nanometer used for the same color, slight color such as the blue, the red, and the leer color. You can set the frequency from 1 to 10 Hz. It means how many shoots in 1 second, so it can decide the treatment speed. If you set a turn, the energy will output 10 times in 1 second, so your move can be very fast. Here, the light is the aiming beam on the handle. If you open it, here with the red light, will teach you where you would output. If you close it, they will disappear. At the handle tip, you can set the spot size by turn the handle like this. From 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 9, 8, max at 10. Where is the diameter? Is the diameter of the full cycle. So max at 10 millimeter of the diameter. Now I try to test the energy and pulse wise on a special paper. This machine's working principle is high energy, works at a very short time, nearly the nanoseconds or picoseconds this level, and this machine's pulse time is 600 picoseconds, so it's very short. The energy boom within the seconds will be absorbed by the pigment tessels, such as the petals, pigment tassel, then will be divided into the tiny pieces, final digested by our body's lymphatic system to reach the results tattoo remover. The same to others, such as the varicose vein, or the livers of water, or the freckles, or the pigmentations, both the same. And we test on this paper, one, to test its energy, second, to test its laser stability, third, to test its pulse wise. I start at 1064 and frequency 1. Press slimmer, get ready to output the energy, press work, now ready to output. Firstly, I will test the stability. I start at 1, not at 10, the spot size from low to high. During the using, there will be the black dust come out from this paper, so I use this bag, the plastic bag, to protect the dust that goes into the glass. Output like this. So you can hear the sound is very crisp. The sound very crisp and very loud. It means the pulse was very short. If the machine can't reach this pulse wise 600 picoseconds, it won't be sound like this. If the pulse was longer, on other yak laser machine, they can output and sound like so crisp. And I try to add the spot size 4 from low to high. Yeah, here are the output results. Directly show you at 8. So every kinds of the spot size will vary full cycle and average. It means our laser stability very strong and very high professional. But others can't get this full cycle and get the energy weaker or lose some stability. I add the frequency to output faster and add the spot size to max turn. Near the same to general tattoo removal will be like this. So you see, the output will be like this and so fast. When you max the frequency at 10, the highest speed, then the results will be like this. So you can finish the treatment much more faster. Later I will show you the test results on the tattoos and on freckles and on the skin whitening.
高曼茶10。吹吧，吹吧，吹吧。晕了。